Hi, welcome back to the House of Valentina. We are counting down the days to a cozy holiday 2018, and we're so delighted that you guys have joined us. If you're just tuning in, we're counting down the days 1 through 25, a video a day, and we're doing it a little bit early so that you have time to actually use the ideas before Christmas actually gets here. But we hope it'll feel a little bit like an Advent calendar where there's a little something waiting for you every single day, and it's just a joy for us to be a part of your home during the holidays. And so we wanted to invite you into ours. Today I wanted to talk about Scandinavian Christmas trees. We've already talked about the containers and how Scandinavians have this cool way of putting their Christmas trees in containers instead of using Christmas tree stands. So cool, really love that. One of the other things that they do is that they use unusual species of plants. They don't necessarily use the Fraser fir that many of us associate with the American Christmas tree. I think it's actually kind of fun. And I think why it appeals to me is not because it's just different, but because, well, it's different. I think that's what makes it fun, is to have like a new idea and a new little twist on the holidays. And so many of their spaces always feel so light and airy. And if you want to see a bazillion ideas, go to my Pinterest account. I'm Valentina Fussell, and look at my Christmas board. It's Scandinavian overload, because I just think that there's something about a Scandinavian Christmas, and I've been trying to figure out what it is. And so often I look at their trees and I'm like, God, it's just so simple. They don't necessarily redecorate their entire room. Shh, don't tell them I totally redecorated my entire room for Christmas. I can't help it. I've got so many great decorations and I want to use them all. But in spite of the fact that I've cheated and I'm not doing that, I think that you can totally take inspiration from the way they do their trees, and it might inspire you, even if you do have a Fraser fir in your house, to maybe simplify the decor. I think that's what they do. Is here I've mimicked the Scandinavian style. I've used an unusual cedar. This isn't something that you would maybe see so much here, and I've decorated it with wooden beads. I've decorated it with cookies. They decorate their tree with cookies. What's not to love about that? And I've kept the ornaments to a minimum, probably because there aren't too many branches on it. That could be it. But they do a lot of the same color. Like they'll do a lot of white, of the white bulbs, and then maybe a couple other ornaments, and then that's it. And it was so easy decorating the Christmas tree this year. Even with us in the midst of a renovation, there's still a Christmas tree in like every room in the house. So there's plenty of places for all the kids' ornaments, and they can put whatever they want on them. But for us, in this living room, we decided to do something really simple. Probably because we're doing a huge renovation. And my mom asked for the rotating Christmas tree back. I am not kidding. I'm not kidding. She literally had an artificial rotating Christmas tree. That's so you can see all the ornaments on every side. I mean, if you're not gonna do this, I think you should definitely go for the rotating Christmas tree. That's just me. But let me show you a couple more ways that you can put together your Christmas tree. Let me get you onto that so that you can get on with your holiday celebrations and preparations. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. And then if you're just tuning in, make sure you go back and check out the other ones. Otherwise, we will see you tomorrow. Bye.